Hello everyone, today we are practicing the pronunciation of Vietnamese consonants, both single and double consonants. So look at the diagram, the figure. Okay, first one, the first column, p, b, with the notice that when pronouncing p, we feel more in front at our lips, p, p, and the air is going out more, while pronouncing b, we feel is more in our throat, and if you put your fingers at your Adam apple, you can feel more vibration when you pronouncing the b in comparison with p. Again, when pronouncing p, you should feel more in front at your lips and going out. But with b, you feel more in your throat, more vibration in your throat. Okay? So again, p, b. Okay? Next one, m. M is a nasal sound, means the air goes through our nasal cavity. You can feel it when you use your finger to press your nose and pronouncing m. You can feel the vibration at your finger at the nose, b, b, and the sound getting dark in comparison to p and b. When you put your finger on your nose and press the nose and pronouncing p and b, you will not feel any blocking here. Okay, so the first three, p, b, m. Okay, the next column. So the next column, remember that we use, look at the top of the column, we have the teeth, right? So with this column, we use our upper teeth connect to our lower lips, okay? And we have f, f, v, v. Okay, in this column we use our upper teeth close to the lower lips. Okay, now the next column we have th, th, and th, th. Both these consonants use our tongue tip connect to the upper teeth, okay? But when we pronounce th, th, as it is an aspirated consonant, when you put your palm before your mouth, you should feel a very big airflow hit your palm. Now try it. Th, th, okay? With the tongue position as the image, you should feel the air hit your palm when you put your palm in front of your mouth. Th, th. But with the th sound, the situation is totally different. You cannot feel any air hit your palm. Th, th is very soft, right? Th, th, easy. Th and th is unaspirated. So be careful with these two consonants, okay? Next one, the alveolar, okay? So we have d, d, n, n, d, d, n, n, s, s, like a s, s, Z, Z, L, L, L. Okay, this is an image of the tongue position when pronouncing L. Pay attention. L. Okay, so to the next column, this one. Okay, this one we have ch, ch, and ñ, ñ, ch, ñ. When pronouncing this consonant, we use our tongue blade connect to the roof of the mouth, ch and ñ. So back to the previous column, as we are studying the northern dialect, these consonants are pronouncing the same to this one. This one pronounced the same to this one. Ch, ch. This one pronounced the same to this one. S, s. And this one pronounced the same to this one. Z, z. Actually, in the southern dialect, they are pronounced different. For example, this one, ch, ch. This one, sh, sh. This one, r, r. All with the roll tongue tip. But it's too complicated, huh? So just take it easy. Okay. Next, okay, this column we use the back of the tongue. So when pronouncing this consonant in this column, you should feel very much feeling in the back of the tongue, means in your throat. Okay, this one, g, g. This sound is represented by 3 letters in Vietnamese. This letter names C, C. This letter names K, K. And this letter named Quy, Quy. But remember, they are all represented the sound K, K. They are only different in writing. Okay. Next one, the same situation. We have ng, ng, ng. Like in the ending of sing, sing in the end. Okay. Ng, ng. You should feel a lot in your throat pronouncing this consonant. Ng, ng. Okay. Next one. Kh, kh, kh. Next. G, g, g. Both of them only different in writing. And in the last column we have the easiest letter to pronounce in Vietnamese, I think. Just open your mouth and release the air. H, h. Like when we panting, right? This one is h, 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 h. Yes, and this one we call the zero one. You don't have to think about it. Okay. Hope you have a good time. Let's practice. See you later.